Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Miracle in Shreveport is probably one of the most talked about and sought after items in its category, promising to revolutionize your daily routine with its innovative features and unparalleled performance, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their lifestyle and experience the pinnacle of modern convenience and efficiency. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This powerful cleaner tackles dirt and grime effectively. It's safe for use on a variety of materials, ensuring a thorough clean without damage. From canvas sneakers to leather boots and delicate suede, this kit has you covered. It's your all-in-one solution for shoe maintenance. The kit comes complete with a bottle of our effective cleaner and a specially designed brush. Everything you need for a spotless finish is right here. Keep your white sneakers looking pristine and your colored shoes vibrant. This cleaner helps restore their original brilliance with ease. Achieve professional cleaning results at home. Just a few simple steps will leave your shoes looking and feeling brand new. What we like? This kit is your ultimate solution for keeping all your footwear looking pristine. It effectively tackles dirt and stains on various materials, bringing them back to life. If you have a diverse collection of sneakers and want a simple, effective way to maintain them, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Miracle in Shreveport is a captivating and heartwarming story that will stay with you long after the credits roll. The performances are outstanding, with the cast delivering powerful and emotional portrayals of their characters. The film's direction is masterful, creating a visually stunning and immersive experience for the audience. Number 4. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. Discover the secret to a brighter complexion. Our advanced formula is designed to reveal your skin's natural radiance. Turn back the clock on visible aging. This serum works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a smoother look. Target stubborn dark spots effectively. Achieve a more even skin tone and reduce the visibility of discoloration. Experience deep hydration and nourishment. Enriched with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, it leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Gentle yet effective, it's suitable for everyone. This formula is designed to benefit all skin types, promoting a healthy glow. See a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and tone. Embrace a revitalized appearance with consistent use. What we like? Experience a radiant complexion with this powerful serum. It works to diminish the appearance of dark spots and fine lines, leaving your skin smoother and more youthful. If you're looking for an anti-aging solution that also boosts brightness and hydration, this serum is ideal for all skin types. What people say. The Miracle in Shreveport is a captivating and thought-provoking film that explores themes of faith, redemption, and the power of community. The storyline is well-crafted, with compelling characters and a satisfying resolution that leaves a lasting impression. The cinematography is stunning, capturing the beauty of Shreveport and adding a visual richness to the narrative. Number 3. Can't Hear You I'm Gaming T-shirt. This t-shirt is perfect for any gamer who wants to make a statement. It's designed for comfort and style, letting everyone know your priorities. Show off your gaming dedication with this unique graphic tee. It's a fun and stylish way to express your passion for gaming. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and gaming culture. This novelty t-shirt is built to look great while you play. Add some attitude to your wardrobe with this eye-catching men's graphic tee. It's a conversation starter for any gamer. Looking for a fun and original gift? This novelty t-shirt is a fantastic choice for the gamer in your life. It's sure to bring a smile. Let the world know when you're in the zone. This tee is designed for those who take their gaming seriously, with a touch of humor. What we like? Make a statement with this hilarious t-shirt designed for gamers. Its comfortable fit ensures you can wear it for extended gaming sessions. If you're a gamer who loves to express your passion with a touch of humor and style, this tee is a must-have. What people say. The Miracle in Shreveport is a captivating and thought-provoking production that explores themes of faith, redemption, and the power of community. The performances are outstanding, with the cast delivering nuanced and emotionally resonant portrayals of their characters. The staging and lighting are expertly done, creating a visually stunning and immersive experience for the audience. Number 2. LSU Shreveport Pilot's Full-Size College Pennant. Show your pride with this officially licensed college pennant. It's the perfect size for displaying your team spirit. Crafted from thick felt, this banner is built to last. It features a sewn sleeve for easy display. The vibrant LSUS Pilots logos are screen printed for a clear, single-sided display. Let everyone know who you're rooting for. This versatile banner is ideal for decorating your home, office, or even your next party. Add a touch of team spirit anywhere. Rest assured, this product is officially licensed and team approved. It's the genuine article for any true fan. What we like? Show your school spirit with this officially licensed pennant. Made from thick felt, it's built to last and features vibrant LSUS Pilots logos. If you're a proud LSUS alum, student, or fan looking to decorate your space with team pride, this banner is a fantastic option. What people say. The Miracle in Shreveport is a must-see production that will leave you breathless. The cast delivers powerful performances that will stay with you long after the show is over. The staging and lighting are superb, creating a visually stunning experience. Number 1. Offensive? Funny sarcastic t-shirt. Are you tired of being misunderstood? Do you have a sense of humor that others just don't get? This shirt is for you. Express your unique perspective with this sarcastic tee. It's designed for those who aren't afraid to be a little edgy. Looking for a casual yet statement-making addition to your wardrobe? This novelty t-shirt offers comfort and a touch of wit. Show your support for domestic production. This shirt is proudly printed right here in the USA. Why blend in when you can stand out? Let this shirt do the talking and spark conversations. Searching for a gift that will get a laugh? This sarcastic tee is ideal for friends or family who appreciate a good joke. What we like? This t-shirt is perfect for those who appreciate witty and sarcastic humor. It's designed to spark conversation and showcase a playful attitude. If you enjoy making a bold statement and have a great sense of humor, this sarcastic tee is a fun addition to your wardrobe. What people say. The Miracle in Shreveport is a captivating and thought-provoking film that explores themes of faith, redemption, and the power of community. The performances are outstanding, with the cast delivering nuanced and emotionally resonant portrayals of their characters. The direction is masterful, creating a visually stunning and immersive cinematic experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.